Hi, welcome to Technologic Expert World. Today I will show you that how to save your channel from invalid traffic and how to protect your channel, or you can return back it from disabled AdSense account. So first of all, I will tell you that what is the difference between a normal video that has no invalid traffic and what are the understanding about the invalid traffic source has come on a particular video and how to learn. So now I will show you an example of my video. So normally all of you know about the CPM and RPM, and hope all of YouTuber you can understand the matter of RPM and CPM. CPM is the investing dollar or money that a company invests for a particular advertisement on YouTube channel. Like in this video, they are paying me $3.72, but my RPM is like YouTube will pay me per 1k views for this video is $3.84. So this is not happen normally. So normally the RPM is more less than the CPM. So you can check out my another video. Like here I will show you this video, and here you can check out the CPM is like $3.46 and the RPM is $1.59. So this is the normal ratio, is more than 50% of the CPM. This is normal basically, but so I have already shown you the CPM and how to check out the invalid traffic on your channel or particular video. Now we need to understand about the things that Google AdSense invalid traffic valid video link as reference. So you can go through this link for a particular reference of this tutorial. And now come to the understanding. We understand that you might have questions about your account and these actions we have taken to protect our advertisers. Below are answers some of the frequent and asked questions about. So these things I have cut it down from a particular website that where you can ask for a particular problem for Google AdSense related or any kinds of traffic source related. So now come to why my account has disabled, because we have need to protect our proprietary detection system. Like when an advertiser advertising their product on YouTube channel, they try to find out a particular customer those are really needed for their company business. That's why they are investing money on YouTube for advertising. But when we are trying to interact in this system through our IP segmentation, that time YouTube sometimes give us some chances to recreate or to resolve this, but people do not understand that how to resolve, and they are trying to earn more dollar from IP click. So do not do these things with your channel for a long time, because after 2 months your channel will be neglected or dead by the YouTube community. So now come to the system. The YouTube is published, like including any pages, users and third-party services that might have been involved. Like you are trying to increase your views from third-party apps that not legal. This is really illegal. And the account activity, like when you are duplicating or deprecating your account multiple times, that also give you some punishment. And Google treats invalid traffic very seriously. Like any invalid traffic is really wasting of money for their advertisers or legal customer. So analyzing all clicks and impressions to determine whether they fit a pattern of use that might artificially drive up an investor's cost or a publisher's earning. So you can understand now, any kinds of investors invest their money for their business, but when you are going to turn up their money, investing money into your channel's revenue, this is illegal. So if your video is applicable for a particular advertisement, then YouTube will suggest the ads on your video. You cannot select the ads, or you cannot select the where you want to show ads on your video. This is illegal. Google Ads advertisers, we may disable that account to protect our advertisers' interests. So YouTube give us some revenue when our viewers will show the ad on our video, but when the real advertiser, real viewers will not come to our channel, that means no advertiser will want to invest, or no interest, do not show the interest to advertise their video on our video. So that's why the YouTube or the Google AdWords always protect their advertisers. Like I am also invest money to modify or to improve my channel, so the YouTube will help me always to protect my account, or always try to find some real audience for me. And now come to the some analyzers quotes. I don't think you should really worry. Google usually track your browsing and have enough data to figure out what is really going on. I manage few websites and have been clicked on ads by mistake, but it was never sanctioned for that. As long as you don't do this on a regular basis, you should be okay. So good luck with everything. So he is trying to say, when you're going to use some site or any website or any hacker site to click on the ads to generate more revenue, it will not support you always. He is trying to say, like, sometimes you can do it, but I will say you do not do this anymore for your channel. When you are going to monetize your channel, you have already get monetization on your channel, because in 2023 the channel monetization is very hard to get. So I hope you should protect your channel. Now come to the same figure out. I have figured out some invalid traffic here. Before some times ago I have shown you this video's result, but some changes was before this time, because last day I have notified that my RPM is $4.67 and my CPM is like $4. So this is not done anymore. Now hope you have already watched my CPC and okay. I have already uploaded many types of content like CPC, RPM, and what is the actual meaning of CPC, and how to generate RPMs. Everything is needed for a single or a starting YouTuber or new YouTuber. So hope you will watch my previous video for your support or your problem solving. So I hope you will get interest for this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.